At the Semicon India 2025 summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared that India is set to secure a major share of the burgeoning global semiconductor industry, currently valued at around $600 billion and projected to reach $1 trillion in the near future. He likened chips to the digital diamonds of the 21st century, poised to reshape global economic dynamics much like all did in the last century. Since the launch of the India Semiconductor Mission (ISM) in 2021, the government has approved 10 semiconductor projects, drawing $18 billion, over 1.5 lakh rupees crore, in investment. Prime Minister Modi reaffirmed that commercial chip production is expected to begin by the end of 2025, signaling a shift from consumer to creator in semiconductor manufacturing. A major highlight of the summit was the unveiling of India's first fully indigenous 32-bit microprocessor, Vikram 32, developed by ISRO's Semiconductor Laboratory and presented to the Prime Minister by Electronics and IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. This space-grade chip, designed to endure extreme conditions such as rocket launches and space environments, has already been flight validated on ISRO's PSLV C-60 mission. Regional innovation also took center stage. In Assam, the Tata OSAT chip, focused on packaging and optimization, and NIT Silchur's Neural Amplifier front-end IC were launched, highlighting the Northeast's growing role in semiconductor assembly and medical tech applications. In Odisha, NIT Rourkela and PMEC introduced 3 indigenous chips, including encryption and biomedical integrated circuit, and a hardware-accelerated multiplier integrated circuit for face recognition use, reinforcing the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision. Further bolstering deep tech innovation, the India Deep Tech Alliance launched a $1 billion venture capital fund targeting semiconductor, space, defense, biotech, and digital economy startups, backed by leading firms such as Accel, Bloom Ventures, and Premji Invest. With infrastructure-backed semiconductor parks, streamlined single-window approvals, design-linked incentives, and robust research and development support, India's comprehensive semiconductor strategy is rapidly taking shape. If execution keeps pace with ambition, the nation may well emerge as a pivotal global semiconductor force, with its digital diamonds shining on the world stage.